This is the property in Atessa. More or less the entire corner of this building. The structure's very good. The shutters are good. And the balconies are in good condition too. They just need a little bit of refurbishment. It's on a nice quiet street. And this is the entrance floor. It was a lounge. And there's a central heating. The windows are double glazed with shutters. There's a double door. And in here, this looks like it could have been the kitchen once. And there's the other entrance. So there's an entrance from that street there. And there's also an entrance from this street here. And then the stairs to the upper floor. Here we have the wooden shutters and a single pane with these would need restoring with another window on the outside. So double window. There's the radiator. And this is the old kitchen. And the tiles look good on the floor. The structure is good. And there's a vaulted ceiling, a little vault. And then there is a little tiny bathroom with a little tiny radiator. And a lamp there. As you can see, there's some updating to be done. And if we continue upstairs, the stairs are nice marble stairs. If we continue upstairs to another 2 rooms. A bedroom here with a balcony. And another room. And then the stairs that continue up to the next floor. I'll start with this room. There's the staircase and the mini toilet. These are the old shutters, which looks like double glazed windows in here they've put in with shutters. And here's the balcony. And the views of the street. There's a school. And then, so the central heating goes in the bedroom, but again, some modifications would be required, such as an updating of the electrical system. Now for mains gas, the owner is actually a local gas man, so that wouldn't be a problem to fit the gas and the plumbing. And he also knows lots of tradesmen in the town. There's another balcony here. We'll go and have a look. Along the balcony. Oh wow, there's some really nice views from the balcony actually. And here's it looks like just some storage. They've made a storage cupboard. Yeah, with heavy duty doors. And then on this side of the balcony, you can just see the ginnel and the rest of the house. Quite a good view of the top of the house actually. Back inside. Nice vaulted ceiling on this level as well. And another little bathroom with a tiny toilet and a tiny sink. Let's have a look in here. This looks like a cupboard. And then on the next floor, I think this is the top floor, we have another 2 rooms. And there's another bathroom. This bathroom looks slightly bigger than the others, but would still need replacing with a modern system. So on every floor there's a bathroom. These windows are double glazed on this floor with shutters. There's the stairs. And in here they divided it up, but it's a non-structural, so it could be opened up. They've made 2 bedrooms, but it could be made back into 1 bedroom. I think we'd have to check with a technical person to see whether that's possible. Let's see if we can. Oh wow, what a beautiful view from the top balcony, the bedroom balcony. Here is the top balcony and the shutters. The shutters are in good condition. Just have another look on this side. And then we have the mains water, mains gas, the cantina. This is inside the cantina. It's 1 room. It has a separate entrance with water and electricity. There's also a car park nearby, which is free public parking. And there's the church bells. It's a beautiful day today in June. Warm, around 30 degrees. Here we're on the edge of the town of Atessa. It's a few minutes walk into the town centre. This is the church of Sant'Antonio. We'll just have a look down the street at the views from the bottom of the street. There's the little ginnel. Atessa has around 10,000 population, which is the little seating area that's just down the road from the property. So a public space with a really nice view. A few minutes walk away there are shops, cafes, supermarkets, a hotel. There is also a gym, swimming pool, a hospital and many other services. For further information regarding this property, please send an email to enquiries@areimmobiliare.com. Thanks for watching.